So, hi guys, hello. So, my name is Muskan and I am studying grade 8 in GEMS Public School. So, welcome to the No Fear of Studies Muskan's Corner channel. Okay, so today I would like to explain Class 8 Science Lesson 1 Crop Production and Management. So, in this lesson, I would like to explain the topic, and that topic name is selection and sowing of seeds. Okay, so here's an example or brief, not brief, for understanding. I have pasted a picture here so you guys can understand. Before knowing this topic, you can understand by observing this picture. Okay, so what are the selection of seeds? Selection of seeds is nothing but selecting the seeds. Yes, selection of seeds is nothing but are those seeds which is selected with good quality and healthy seeds. Okay, selection of seeds are nothing but those seeds which is selected whether the seeds are good quality and healthy. Okay, so here we can observe that a man is separating the seeds. Means, for example, he have divided into two parts, and the first part of seeds are unwanted seeds, and coming to the second part of the seeds are the healthy seeds, and those seeds are you need to sown in the farm or the agricultural land. Okay, so like this, selecting the seeds and sowing the seeds, this may take a while, not a while, it may take a long time. So to avoid, and so many problems may occur, like wastage of time to the farmers, and like something and the other. Okay, so to avoid this problem in our India, government has started a body or government body, and that body called National Seeds Corporation, in the shortcut NSC. So this has been started in our India because farmers are facing the problem, so that this body is helping to select good quality agricultural fields. And okay, so this body or the government body or National Seeds Corporation body's work is to select the good quality agricultural seeds and providing to the farmers. Okay, so like this, if these people has to if these people have to select more healthy seeds, and they need more help, so that this government body is also bringing other people in working of this government body and to the other country. So this body is also calling to bringing few people of the other countries people to select the good seeds. Okay, so after the seeds should be selected, or these farmers, whether the farmers or the government body people started, after selecting the seeds of the healthy seeds, they need to be sown in the field. Okay, so the farmers need to sow the seeds in the farm after the selecting of seeds, whether they are healthy or good quality. Okay, so sowing is the process of planting seeds in the soil. So sowing is nothing but it's the process of planting the seeds in the soil. Okay, so for example, so here you can observe a man is throwing or sprinkling the seeds on the soil or in this soil. Okay, so the following points must be kept in mind while sowing the seeds. So now I am going to show few points which must be kept in mind while sowing the seeds. So now I'll show the few points, and those points farmers keeps in their minds while sowing the seeds. Okay, so the first point is seeds should be sown at the appropriate distance from one another. Yes, this is the correct point. Seeds should be sown at the appropriate distance from one another. So this is the first correct point, because if the seeds is sown like a crowding area, for example, a few of the seeds is sown in the same place. If farmers do like this, there will be so many occurrence of problems. For example, like these seeds challenge or overcrowding means like their competition, the challenge to other seeds. For example, in those seeds, a few seeds traps can traps or traps more air, water and sunlight, whereas the other seeds they cannot trap the air and other else. Okay, so like this there will be occurrence of so many problems, and thus it results that 50% of the plants grow with the other, while the other 50% plants doesn't grow. So to avoid like these problems, farmers have to keep in their mind that they should sow by by doing by measuring the appropriate distance or by maintaining the proper distance. Okay, for example, here I have shown you a picture. Okay, so here's a person is sowing the seeds by okay maintaining a proper distance. So like this, for example, I have shown this picture. So this is the example, and here's if they sown like this, so all the seeds can equally absorb the water, sunlight, okay, and air. Okay, so the second following point is seeds should be sown at the correct depth. Yes, so seeds should be sown at the correct depth, not too shallow, not too deep. Okay, seeds should be sown at the maximum depth. Okay, so if farmers maintain sow the seeds at the correct depth, so then the seeds can grow faster and with the correct length. Okay, so if the farmers uh, sow these seeds too deep, the seeds cannot reach upper, and if farmers sow the seeds too shallow, these seeds can overcome and they cannot even grow. Okay, so here you can observe this person is sowing the seeds at the by maintaining the correct depth. So this is the maximum length or the minimum, not maximum depth. Okay, so this is the example of the correct depth which is sown by the farmers. Okay, so manual sewing, so manual sewing, so in sewing there are like two types, not two types but there are two types. So farmers use whether these two types in the farm, or farmers use one of them in these two types, or farmers use other type in these two types. So sewing is divided into two types, not two types. I have divided like for understanding. So the first one is manual sewing and other one is using a seed drill. Manual sowing is nothing but this is the process involved direct sprinkling of seeds in the soil or digging the soil and planting the seeds. So manual sowing is nothing but directly sprinkling the seeds in the soil. Okay, so few farmers like in the ancient times, not only ancient times but today days also or nowadays also, farmers are using this method because so that their work will be very easy and very comfortable to them. Okay, so here you can observe a man is sprinkling the seeds directly to the soil. Okay, manual sowing is done either by digging the soil and planting the seeds, or not with or directly sprinkling the seeds. Okay, so this method may not ensure all the seeds are sown at the correct depth. Yes, this is the correct and the 100% true point. If the farmers spring directly into the soil, uh, these uh, these seeds cannot be go into the soil at the maximum depth, and soil in and the seeds in the soil cannot grow faster. Okay, so this method is also not correct, but today days also farmers are using this method because it will become a comfortable method to the farmers. Okay, so this method is 100% false. Okay, so like this method should be not done. Okay, if they does like this, few of the seeds may die in them, not, yeah. because of the dryness of the sunlight. So these seeds should be sown at the maximum or the maximum depth. Okay, so coming to the using a seed drill. Okay, a seed drill can be pulled the soil using bullocks or a tractor. Okay, seed drill can be pulled. Seed drill is nothing but it's a machine like type. So nowadays the farmers are using this method because using this method farmers became like a simple method, or the if they use this method the time will be saved and the effort also be saved into the processes doing. Okay, a seed drill. Okay, I'll show you a picture. So here we can observe a picture. There's a tractor. Okay, so back backside of a tractor there's some wheels. These also the backside of the tractor, the machines are also, or agricultural implement is also known as the cultivator. So these cultivators or seed drill is pulled back to the soil so that the seeds, after doing like this, farmers sow the seeds into that and they'll dig to it. They'll close this soil. Okay, so seed drills is used in farm to sow the seeds at the correct depth. So this seed drill is used in farm or the agricultural land to sow the seeds at the correct time. If this step is done in agricultural farm or the agricultural land, so that this steps becomes like a simple method, and thus the seeds mm, can be sown at the maximum depth of every seed into the soil. Okay, so this is the topic which I have covered today. So the next topic is okay. Mm, so this is about the selection of sowing of seeds, and the next topic is irrigation. So to know about the irrigation and irrigation types like traditional methods and modern methods, we'll go on through the next video. So bye guys, and thanks for watching. So please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon. Okay, so please, thank you, a big thank you from me to you, a thank you. And if you liked my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for further upcoming videos. Okay, so we'll discuss about the irrigation and traditional methods and modern methods in the next video. So bye there, and we'll see you in the next video.